So there is a master technique. Master technique. You know, we say Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, है ना? एक बात बताता हूं आप लोग को, जो टीचर होता है ना, a teacher is one who basically motivates or inspires the student to get the job done. It is not that the teacher is one who always try to boast upon his knowledge, right? So teacher वो जो आपको command दिलाए. My whole purpose is to make you people solve all this square root and cube root within no time. So square root का मतलब होता है any number which comes twice would come out single outside the square root. For example, 25 is nothing but 5 into 5, which is nothing but 5. Is this okay? Is this okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So I am giving you a technique which will help you for life. Now this is n square and this is ud. Guess करो ud का मतलब क्या होगा? Unit digit. Let me check out with you guys now. What is 0 का square? Come on.
0.
So what is the
Zero.
unit? 0. What is 1 ka square?
1.
What is unit?
One.
Digit?
1.
One only.
1.
4.
4.
4.
4.
है ना? Let me check
Four.
out कहाँ से 2 digit आता है. 3 का square 9.
9. 9.
9.
Yes. 4 का
4.
square
12.
16.
6.
16.
per unit digit. है ना? 5 का square
25.
25.
25.
and then comes 6 का square
6. 36.
36.
6.
7 का square
49.
8 का square
64,
64. 4.
64.
81. 1.
81,
81.
and last but not the least, that is 10 ka square.
100.
Yes.
100.
10, it has to be 10 only. 10 ka square 100 and therefore this is
0.
now. So what is the beauty that you find? See, there is 0 here at the end, at the beginning. Here it is 1 at the equal distance 1 1. Here it is 4 4. Agreed or not?
Yes.
9 9.
Yes.
Yes.
रब ने बना दी जोड़ी, रब ने सबकी बना दी जोड़ी except for 5, है ना? 5 हो गया अकेला, right? Now try to understand, if I were to calculate the square root of big numbers, for example, अभी मैंने जो देखा क्या था वो 1 2 5 4 4. Yes. So here we go. I give you the master technique now. Only 2 steps. Whenever we have such big numbers 1 2 5 4 for all small numbers, what we do, we strike off the last 2 numbers and rest जो भी बच जाता है उसके ऊपर ऐसा, मतलब we divide it into 2 parts like this. Is this okay? The first step is this, है ना? So first step is what? We divide the last 2 part, we take a group of 2 part and the rest of the parts are here. And we focus on the unit digit of that last part. What is 4? 4 कब आता है from the table? Let me check out ये table alongside. 4 कब आता है आखिरी में? Come on, tell me. कब आता है?
2.
Yes.
2 square.
This is 4 and this is 4.
4.
इसका
8.
मतलब 4 comes only when there is 2 at the end, or what at the end? 8 at the
8.
end. So I know one of the number will be either 2 or what? 8.
8.
But this 125 lies between what and what? Let me check out. 125 lies between what and what? यहाँ पे तो 10 तक ही पढ़ाया सर ने. 10 का square is what? What is 10 का square? 100. So what is
100,
what is 11 ka square?
121.
What is 12 ka square?
121,
So
144.
our 125 lies between 11 square and what? 12 square, right? So this is the first step, this is the second step, and the third step says कि जो छोटा वाला number है, the smallest one is our answer. That means यहाँ पे जो answer आएगा वो क्या आएगा? 11. So answer is 1 1. So there are 2 answers. What are those 2 answers? 1 1 2 or 1 1 8. Now how to select which one is correct? है ना? How to select which one is correct? I repeat the process. First step, we divide the number into 2 parts with group from the unit place, group of 2, right? Second step, we select the unit digit and check out from the table कि ये किसके unit place में आता है. जैसे ये 2 के इसमें आता है और 8 की इसमें आता है. So this 2 and 8 could be the last place, right? This is the last place. And this 125 comes under 2 square, 11 square and 12 square, as we can see from here, of which the chota wala is the answer. So chota wala is 11, that is the smaller one. So the answer could be 112, 118. Now, my dear student, which one is to be selected? What is the process? I will tell you the process in a very simple manner. ये जो 11 है, इसको 1 से बढ़ा दो, तो क्या हो जाएगा? 12. 11 into 12, I know how to get the answer. 1, 2, and this is 3. Answer is 132. Right? So अगर ये अंदर वाला 125 132 से छोटा होता है, if the 125 comes out to be less than 132, then the lesser value is to be selected and higher is rejected. If it would have been greater, then greater would have been selected and lesser would have been rejected. Now, if you haven't understood, then I will give you a simple number 625, which all you are aware of. So tell me, my dear friend, 625 का square root क्या होता है? जल्दी बताओ.
15.
अरे कहाँ पे हो? 15. 625 का process क्या होगा पहले?
25.
I
Sorry.
divide into 2
25.
parts. So this
25.
5, this will come only for what? 5. And 6 comes between 2 square. What are those 2 squares? Let me check out here. 6 comes under 2 square. ये 6 कहाँ पे आता है? Between 4 and 9.
4 and
So the between what and 4, what it comes? 2 square and 3 square. Agreed. 2 square and 3 square. That is between 4 and 9. Which one is to be selected? 5 got selected. So which one is to be selected? This 2 wala. That is answer is 25. Agreed or not? Agreed or not?
Yes.
So if you want to get,
Yes.
if you want to get the whole lot of it, I will tell you within no time 2 seconds में कैसे आंसर लाना. चलो मेरे बच्चों, प्यारे बच्चों, देखते हैं इसको. 2 टुकड़े करते. What are the 2 टुकड़े? What are the 2 divisions? Come on, tell me. One is
4 and 1 is 7.
अरे what happened? Just a minute. It went like this. Yes. Please focus. This is the topic of 84 and what? 7.
7.
Now 4 comes.
7.
Comes when, let me take you to the table. 4 comes when what happens? Acha, let us remember. 4 comes when 2 is there and
2.
8
8
is
is
6.
there.
4.
8. See, you even need not refer to bar the table. I know 2 ka square is 4 and last unit is, and 8 ka square is 64. Agreed or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
my dear students, either it could be what? 2 or it could be what? 8. But this 7 comes under what and what? Come on, किसके और किसके square में? 2 square and 3 square. है ना? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So therefore the answer of this could be either 22 or what? 28. But which one is to be selected? What Dipankar sir said, that whatever has
Yes.
come here, 2, उसको multiply करो, 2 plus 1, 1 से बढ़ा दो, तो क्या हो जाएगा? 6. Now compare this 7. Is this 7 greater than 6? Yes. Greater, no? So which one
Yes.
is to be selected? The greater one, and the
20.
shorter one is rejected. The answer is 28. Did you understand?
Yes.
One more time. Come on. Can you do, let us do together. The last 2 questions is for you. If I divide 7, 5, 6, 9, how do I divide? Come on. How do I divide?
First 2.
First 2.
First 2,
Now-
last 2.
Now, what is 9? When 9 comes into picture? Come on, tell me. When 9 comes into picture?
3 square.
3.
What else? Come on. 7 sevens are 49.
49.
14.
7 square.
So my last digit got selected, 3 or 7. Now 75. 75 lies between what and what square? Come on, remember. 8 ka square, 64.
64.
And 9 ka square, 81.
81.
So our
Yeah.
answer comes out to be either 83 or 87. Now which one is to be selected? Which one is? देखते हैं. 8 9s are what? 72. Now 75 is greater than what? 72.
72.
So greater selected, smaller rejected. Did you
Rejected.
understand?
Yes.
Yes.
अगर आप में है दम, तो तीसरे क्वेश्चन को करोगे अभी के अभी खत्म. Let's see किसमें कितना है दम. 56. Come on, tell me 56 का क्या?
56.
56 का क्या मतलब 6 आखिरी में है ना? I'm sorry, 6 का क्या?
2.
Two.
and
No,
Four
no.
and
4.
4 and 6.
4 and 6.
Very good. 4 और 6.
6.
Is 134 किसके और किसके बीच में है? 134 lies between what and what square? Come on, tell me.
134.
Of course, 12 का square.
11 and 12.
Yes.
11 and 12.
11 and 12. 11 and 12.
11. Good. Square
12.
and 12. So my selection is what? 11. So the
11.
two answers are 114 or 116. Which is selected? I just do 11 into 12 comes out to be how much? I know very well.
132.
And 134 is greater than 132. The answer is 116.
116.
Did you understand?
Yes.
So this is the method.
Yes.
sir.
This is the method for what we say is square root within no time. Can you do the last for me? Your time starts now. मैं सबको erase कर रहा हूँ so that the things don't get messed up. है ना? The last one, and I think it is getting over the head. So इसको अभी थोड़ा सा हम रोक देंगे और screen पे आ जाएं.
sir, 25 only 5 no sir.
Yes, 5 has no जोड़ीदार. है ना?
Nagpur.
Last 10 seconds. You must answer now.
125.
125 sir.
125.
125.
125.
Yes. 125. 125 is absolutely. आप लोग ने 20 seconds में लाके दिखाया. Although you are the newcomers, so still it is really awesome to learn कि आप लोग ने इतने जल्दी निकाल के दिखाया. Why it is not taking place? Right? Yes. 25 का क्या निकलेगा sir?
5.
5.
156. 156 is what? It is nothing but
12.
12 का
13.
square and
12,
13 का
13.
square. है ना? So
Yes,
this
yes.
answer
Yes.
is 125 answer. Right?
Yes.
Yes.
So the last method is left, that is cube root. Would you like to learn or shall I stop? It is getting overhead. What do you feel?
I'm over, sir.
Learn, sir.
We would like to learn, sir.
Okay.
Sir, learn.
Two students.
Learn,
Not
learn,
only
sir.
say एक दो बच्चे नहीं. I want
No, sir.
all.
All.
Yes, all sir. Learn.
Okay. With the cube root method, I will come to an end. Is this okay? है ना?
Yes.
Okay. Because
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
anything which is overdone will always have adverse effect. है ना? So let me check out with the last method with you guys. And here we go. है ना? I hope you enjoyed this method. है ना? Now trust me,
Yes.
cube root is far easier than square root. है ना? I will show you how come. So here comes the cube root method. है ना? My screen would respond bit slowly, so bear with that. Okay. So for example, I give you this method cube root of 2744 and I give you a master technique. A master technique which will help you learn all the cube root within no time. So before that, I would appreciate your cubing power. What is 0 cube? 0.
0.
What is
0.
1 cube? Come on, make it fast.
1.
1.
1.
What is 2 cube?
8.
8.
8.
27.
27.
27.
64.
64.
64. 125.
125.
Next. Come on, अब तो बताओ 6 cube क्या होता है? Tell me 6 cube.
36.
अच्छा, do it and tell me. Come on, I am waiting for you. Do it.
116.
Yes, 2 1 6.
216.
अच्छा, what is 7 cube?
343. 343.
What is 8 cube?
3. 512.
512.
729, and last but not the least, come on, tell me. That is 10 cube, right?
279. 279.
10 cube is-
729, sir. 729.
729, sir.
729. 9.
So, my dear student, can't you find the same logic here? Unit place 0, 1, 8, 7, 4, 5, 6. इसको रेड से दिखाना था by the way. 0, 1, 8, 7, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 9. So I tell you now a master blaster technique in which याद करो स्क्वायर रूट में लास्ट के 2 नंबर को हम लोग ग्रुपिंग करते थे. यहाँ पे लास्ट 3 numbers would be grouped, है ना? So the moment last 3 numbers are grouped, we just focus on 4. When 4 comes into picture, when there is 4 cube, so pakka the last digit will be 4. And 2 lies between what cube?
0 and 1.
Very it lies between 1 cube and what? 2 cube.
1 and
So
3.
answer is 1, 4. The answer is done. Did you understand? What did I do?
Yes.
This, है ना? If you haven't understood, I repeat the process. What we do, we strike off the last 3 digit or we group the last 3 digit. और उसका जो 4 unit place है, we check out with our table. The 4 comes into picture only when 4 cube comes into picture. So last digit is 4. And what about 2? Earlier we checked with respect to square. 2 lies between 1 cube and 2 cube. The smaller one is to be taken. That is 14. For example, ये बाजू वाला पे आ जाते. The बाजू वाला is 19683. Let us find out within no time. 10 seconds में हम लोग इसको कर पाते हैं कि नहीं, है ना? So I write it down for you, my dear friends, in a big form. 19683. कितने नंबर को स्ट्राइक ग्रुप करेंगे लास्ट के? बोलो लास्ट
3.
3.
So this last 3 numbers have been grouped, है ना? And now check out with this 3. 3 comes when? Let me check out with the table. 3 comes when? Come on. 3 comes when? याद करो. You forgot?
7 cube.
Very good. This is 7 cube is very good. So the pakki, it is for sure the last digit will be what? Yes, last digit will be what? Yes, last digit will be 7. And 19 comes between what and what? 19 comes between, if I am not wrong, 3 ka cube 27. Acha, 2 ka cube and 3 ka cube. Agreed? Enough? Because 2 ka cube is 8. And very good. And 20. So what is the answer? Within no time, the answer is
87.
27. Agreed or not? So if I give you 3 numbers, 1, 7, 5, 7, 6, and cube root of 79507, and cube root of one more number, let me check out, and that is 314432. Let me check out these numbers with you. Come on. And with this, I will sign off. क्या करेंगे? Come on, tell me. 6 comes
Last
into
3
picture.
numbers grouping.
Grouping. Then 6. 6 comes when?
It will come 6 cube only.
Very good, beta.
6 cube.
What about 17? 17 lies between 2 and 3. So
2 and
answer is
3.
26.
26.
If you don't believe, please. If you don't believe, multiply 26 twice, and I'm confident that you are going to get 17576. Come on, next question.
Yes, sir.
Come on, tell me. What is this 7? When does 7 comes into picture? Come on.
3.
3.
3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, right? 3. 79 lies
3.
between what cube and what cube?
4 cube
4 and 5. 4 and 5.
4
Very
and
good.
5.
Answer has to be what?
4.
43.
4.
43.
Last but not the least, come on, answer this, and with this we come to an end. Yes, tell me.
1.
1 and 2.
1. No.
2 comes in. 2 comes in.
2. 68 sir answer. 68 sir answer.
8 was 8
Eight.
ka cube. And this is 314 lies between what and what cube? Let me check out. 6
6
cube.
cube and 7 cube.
6 cube and 7 cube.
8 is the answer.
68 sir.
Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Let me check out your answer. Yes, my dear friends, 26 is correct, 43 is correct. So I must clap for you. That's all for the day. Come on screen. All of you come on screen. So how many students are there? 90 students. Okay, earlier there were so many students. I think they did not love my teaching. I hope. है ना? So,
Yes, sir.
No, sir, it was very
yes, sir. Okay. So this was all about today's session, beta. I am so thankful, and I hand over the session to our beloved, teachers and brothers. Thank you.
Yeah, 1 minute, sir. I request our teacher Janet to give a vote of thanks to sir. Sir has taken a lot of trouble out of his busy schedule. He has taken a lot of classes because I know him last 7-8 years. We are very closely associated, and he comes to our Manpur School, Nagpur, to teach our children. So when this lockdown gets over, we'll call him here to teach personally to the teachers and the students. Now I request our teacher to give him vote of thanks.
Thank you, brother. Good evening to one and all. Respected brother Lourdes Mareddy, the principal.
Please, children, come on screen. Children, please come on screen. Who are all there?
Respected brother Lourdes Mareddy, the principal. Mr. Deepankar Banik, the subject expert and mentor. Dear teachers and my dear students. This 3 p.m. to 4:15 p.m. warm hours just passed us by as quickly as a passing train. We were carried away by your master technique, which goes beyond the traditional and the accepted, and help us reach mathematical solutions without applying the difficult to understand concept of mathematics. But however, you make us reach solution just like a computer in a jiffy. Thank you, sir, for showing us the way to create magic out of mathematics and take our students to the realm of higher mathematics as they grow older. Thank you, sir, once again. And thank you, Reverend Brother Principal, for facilitating this input session in spite of the pandemic. Thank you, teachers and students, for attending this seminar. Have a good day.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Once again, I thank you on behalf of our school and our staff and students. Sir, many more classes. We are awaiting to see you online or offline. And when the lockdown is over, we'll come together and we'll have more classes. Thank you so much.
Sure,
sir.
sure, brother. Thank you so much. It was so nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.